we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. There's a large variety of items. Liberty Tree Collectors. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. This looks like the actual bottom of the box. Let's see. Look at that. Bubble wrap on the bottom. Good job. Let's get everything out and then figure out what we have here. So again, bubble wrap on the bottom. Items. More bubble wrapped items. Separately wrapped items. Manifest. Packing paper. More packing paper. Okay, that's it. Set that aside. So again, Liberty Tree Collectors. If we go right down the list, fingers crossed here, hopefully I can identify what we got here. I also took notes, just in case. The first item is a French web combat belt. So you can see it's kind of like the 1956 style, but two-hole, top and bottom. And you can see the buckle here. It's a nice, simple, but large design. These retention areas right here, kind of slide around, two on each side, and plenty of those holes for the sizing as well as mounting equipment. So French web combat belt. Next up, will be a Swedish military canteen plastic. Bubble wrap and plastic bag on the inside here. So you can see there the 3 crowns, so Swedish, and we have a intact strap clip. Attachment on the top there, very nice. So you see all the markings on the Swedish military canteen plastic. Next up on the list, so this is in no particular order. Trying to sort through here. Oh boy. Nope. Okay, this is, boy, a Swedish gas mask bag green. See the snaps there. Kind of plain interior, although I see something at the bottom here. It looks like a cardboard circular disc that is attached at the bottom with this kind of rubberized strip here. Interesting. Sewn on open pocket. Two very simple snaps with green buttons there. And a sewn on strap with these little magnetic fittings. And the strap does look adjustable, again, steel fittings. So, Swedish gas mask bag, green. Let's see what else we got here. Put that with that. This, get this open here. Everything is well wrapped. Will be a Finnish military canteen. So you see kind of the Castle Rook icon. 1988 dating, 0.65 liters, clip, intact top and strap. So you compare this against the Swedish profile. A little different, wider and squat versus taller, thinner. So, Finnish military canteen. Get these bags out of the way as we go here. This should be, get this open. Should be an Austrian military canteen cover. So you can see it's OD green, snaps on top. Not quite Alice clips, but very compatible. Kind of copper alloy finish on the snaps. Got that there. Next up, let's see here. Here's a French 3 grenade pouch canvas. This one has its own little sticker marking there. You can see how these have the kind of snap closures with the spring latch in the tops there. Try to get this pocket one on there. I might have to bypass that for now. This one here. Yeah, these are pretty stiff. Let's go back for this one, see if we can get it. Yep. Alright, so French 3 grenade pouch canvas. A little bit of markings there. Okay, next up, let's try to unbox it. Unbag all of these so we can assess what they are easier. Two, looks like two of the Swedish 304 pattern military belt pouches. See, they have the long straps here with these kind of knob fittings. Very stiff canvas. Feels like there's some sort of reinforcement material on the inside. On the back, so you can see how they have these belt clips here. Looks like aluminum. Pretty sure they're not magnetic. Nope. Brass up here. Cloth. So, Swedish 304 pattern. Similar. Two of those. Next up, two. These look like two of the French FAMAS M16 magazine pouches. So I can already see that there's a slight difference between the straps, which is cool. You can see how they would attach on the belts as well as on the gear. You see the different types of D-ring versus rectangular ring. Hook and latch. Even the hook and latch are different material. Very interesting. And two pockets, two cells. Two pockets, two cells, in other words. Two of the French FAMAS M16 style magazine pouches. And last but not least, we're getting to these last items here. This looks to be a Italian military police holster and belt pouch set. You can see it still has a little bit of patina on the material. Just to make sure what it is. Yeah, brass. And an interesting shade there of green. You can see the fittings there. Kind of Alice style. And the textured buttons. A little bit of a holster here for the magazine, looks like. Let's see how this will go onto there. And we have Polizia sewn on label, very cool. Reinforcement area. And then on this big old pouch. Nothing in there, of course, but let's see how that's set up. Alright. So then, should be the Italian military police holster and belt pouch set. That will fit the GP35 platform, your high power. And then last but not least, checking the manifest here. I believe this will be the belt for that. Let's take a look at that here. You see it's 3 holes, kind of the M1956 style closure. Can't get that onto there at the moment. We'll bypass that. You can see the retention clips on both sides. 3-hole style, but you can see there's different sizes of grommets used. And the single hook for sizing along these center holes. So very cool. Part of the Italian military police holster and belch pouch set to fit the GP35. So we continue to work our way backwards through the list. I might be not in the particular order, just so you know. This here was the Austrian military canteen cover. We also had a couple of canteens here. We have the Finnish military canteen. We had a Swedish military canteen with the 3 crowns there. This just happens to be right here, so this will be the Swedish gas mask bag green. Working our way back to this side. I think we did start off here with a French web combat belt. Right next to it, we have 2 of the French FAMAS M16 magazine pouches. We also have a French military grenade pouch, and we have 2 of the Swedish 304 pattern military belt pouches. So I believe that covers everything. These all came from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a series of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.